Number 6, the function is giving us the number of salmon swimming upstream, where x represents the water temperature in degrees in Celsius. And we want to find the temperature that produces the maximum number of salmon. Alright, to do this we're going to use the method using the derivative, finding the critical numbers, and then checking at the ends of the time interval and at the critical numbers for which represents the maximum number. So we'll start off by finding s prime, the derivative, which turns into negative 3x squared minus 18x plus 165. Now we'll solve that for 0, and I'm going to factor out a negative 3 to give me x squared plus 6x minus 55. This factors into x minus 5 and x plus 11. So we're going to have two solutions for x. X equals 5 and x equals minus 11. However, only one of these is needed because the negative 11 is not within our time interval, obviously, so we'll just be using the 5 as our critical number. Now our time interval is 5 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 20. So it looks like we only need to plug in the critical number of 5 and the other endpoint number of 20 and figure out what those are equal to. If we plug in the 5, we're going to get 1775. We plug in 20, it comes out to be negative 7,000. So that verifies for us that the temperature has to be 5 degrees for the maximum of 1775 salmon.